Okay, in the class we had last time started with exercise 6, that was problems in simultaneous equations, and if I remember correctly we had done till sum number 10. So now we'll do the alternate sums from 12 onwards. So what you need to do is see the video properly, understand the sum, understand how to do this particular sums, and do it yourself also in the textbook, in your notebooks, and then you have to do the alternate sums which are there. You have to do this thing, and according to the WhatsApp message what I'm sending you, you will have to give me the doubts or place the doubts in our group, that whichever sums you are not able to do, which I can either give you as a solution in the form of a photograph or a video like this. Okay, so we start with sum number 12 now. Find the fraction which becomes 1 upon 2 when the denominator is increased by 4 and is equals to 1 upon 8 when the numerator is diminished by 5. So here we see it's a fraction. So the 12th sum. So let numerator be x and denominator be y. So the fraction will be equal to x upon y. Okay, this is the basic thing. Now they are given us that find the fraction which becomes 1 upon 2 when denominator is increased by 4. So denominator increased by 4 means what? X upon y plus 4, it is going to become 1 upon 2. Understood? So cross multiply, so 2x is equals to y plus 4. So 2x minus y is equals to 4 will be your first equation. Let's see the next condition. The next condition is that when the denominator and is equal to 1 upon 8 when the numerator is diminished by 5. So numerator diminished by 5, so it becomes x minus 5 upon y is equals to 1 upon 8, because they are given you that it becomes 1 upon 8 when the numerator is diminished by 5. Diminished by 5 means subtracted by 5. So you get over here the 8x minus 40 is equals to y. So 8x minus y is equals to 40 becomes my second equation. So the two equations are 2x minus y is equal to 4 and 8x minus y is equal to 40. Accordingly, we'll solve these two equations simultaneously. We'll be using elimination method. So it will be 2x minus y is equal to 4 and 8x minus y is equals to 40. Minus plus minus, this cancels, this becomes minus 6x is equals to minus 36. So x is equals to 6. So the numerator is 6. Now putting the value in any of the equation, 2 into 6 minus y is equals to 4, minus y is equals to 4 minus 12, y is equals to 8. Therefore, fraction. Remember, getting the answer as x and y is not the answer. The answer is the fraction. The fraction what we are getting is 6 upon 8. We can also do this thing and cancel it and give it as 3 upon 4. So the answer is 6 upon 8 or 3 upon 4. This was the answer for the 12th question of exercise 6. Now we see over here the next question, that is, okay, you can see this thing properly now, right? Question number 14. A number of 2 digit exceeds 4 times the sum of its digit by 6 and is increased by 9 on reversing the digits. Now whenever it is a 2-digit number, it's a very, very important thing. So such sums, one basic thing what we need to understand is that if the units is x and the, or let's say the tens is x and the units is y, then the number is not xy. Okay, it is this way, that if I consider that the 14th sum, we have that let units be y and tens be x. Now we'll see that the number will be 10x plus y. Now why is it 10x plus y? See, if I take this example of 72 Is it 7 plus 2? No. It is 70 plus 2. What do you mean by this? It is nothing but 7 into 10 plus 2, because 7 is the place value and 10 is the a face value and 10 is the place value. So automatically the complete value of 7 will be 70. So that's why it is 70 plus 2. Similarly over here, if my tens place, the face value is x, the place value will be 10x. Understood? So that's why the number, whenever they are given you that a 2-digit number, then the 2-digit number may, if you take the units place as y and the tens place as x, then the total number as a whole will be 10x plus y. So let's see the question now. A number of 2 digits exceeds 4 times the sum of its digits by 6. So it is given that a number of 2 digits exceeds, so this is 10x plus y is equals to, they are given a sum of the digits. What is sum of digits? X plus y. Now this thing is exceeding. That means if I want to make this thing equal, I need to add over here whatever is exceeding for. So exceeding is 4 times. So it is, because it is 4 times, it will be 4 times x plus y. So you can see over here, let's see the question once again and understand whether we are given properly or not. A number of 2 digits exceeds 4 times the sum of digits by 6. So it is plus 6. Let's understand once again. Number of 2 digits, 10x plus y. Okay, it is exceeding. That's why the other part, that is 4x plus y, is smaller than this. How much smaller than this? 6. That's why we are adding 6 to this side, so that my equation becomes 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus y plus 6. This gives me as 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y plus 6. So 10x minus 4x plus y minus 4y is equal to 6. So that gives me 6x minus 3y is equal to 6. I can divide this equation by 3 to give me 2x minus y is equal to 2. This becomes my first equation. Now let's see the second condition we have given us. The second condition is, and it is increased by 9 on reversing the digit. So if the number is increased, it will be increased by 9. That means the increased number, if I reverse the number. Now what is the reverse number? So number on reverse is equal to 10y plus x, because जो 72 था वो भी 27 हो गया, reversing it. So that will be 10y plus x. Now they are given this reversed number. This number is increased by 9. Okay, so the number is increased by 9 on reversal. That means that 10x plus y plus 9 is equal to 10y plus x. Okay, when I reverse this thing, it has increased by 9. So this number has increased by 9 on reversal. So this gives you 10x minus x plus y minus 10y is equal to minus 9, giving me 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 1. You can divide this by 9 and you get the equation as x minus y is equal to minus 1. It's my second equation. So the first equation over here was this one, 2x minus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. Hence we have 2x minus y is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to minus 1. On solving, we get over here as x is equal to 3. Now you know that 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 1. Minus y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to 4. Therefore, number will be equal to, now it will take x plus y, यानी 34. You can also cross check. If I am going to reverse the number, it will be 43. That means it is increased by 9. So I am having a correct answer. Understood? So the answer is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Accordingly, the number will be 10x plus y is equal to 34. That was the question number 14. Now we move on to question number 16. The result of dividing a number of 2 digits by a number with digits reversed is 1, 3 upon 4. If the sum of the digit is 12, find the number. Okay. So let's see the things accordingly. Now the second part of the question which was given over here was very easy to understand because they are given that the sum of the digits is 12. So let's take that thing as a first equation, that the sum of the digits is 12. So we have over here that let units be y, tens be x, therefore x plus y is equals to 12 is my first equation. Second equation is the result of dividing the number of 2 digits by the number of your digits reversed, yani it will be 10x plus y upon 10y plus x is equals to 1, 3 upon 4. Did you understand this? The number was 10x plus y. Reverse will be 10y plus x. They said that the number is divided by the number reversed and the resultant is 1, 3 upon 4. Right? You cross multiply this thing, so it will be, first of all, 10x plus y upon 10y plus x is equals to 7 upon 4. You cross multiply, you get 4 into 10x plus y is equals to 7 into 10y plus x. That gives me 40x plus 4y is equals to 70y plus 7x. Bringing everything together over here, so 40x minus 7x plus 4y minus 70y is equals to 0. So this gives me 33x minus, that will be 66y is equals to 0. Dividing it by 33, we get x minus 2y is equals to 0 as my second equation. First equation over here, second equation over here. Solving them together, we get x plus y is equals to 12 and x minus 2y is equals to 0. Minus plus minus, so this cancels. This will become 3y is equals to 12. So y is equals to 4. So x plus y is equals to 12, x plus 4 is equals to 12, x is equals to 12 minus 4, x is equals to 8. Therefore, the number is 84. Are we clear on this? Okay. First equation, which was the second part which was given to us. This is the second equation. Accordingly, x is 8, y is 4, number is 84. We go to the next one, that is sum number 18. Okay, now it's a 3-digit number. A number of 3 digits has 100 digit 4 times the unit digit, and the sum of the 3 digits is 14. So it's a 3-digit number, but we know that we cannot have 3 variables over here. So let's see what is given over here. First one. So let's make it a table sort of thing. Sum number 18. So 100 digits is 4 times the unit digit. So let's say that this is hundreds, this is tens, and this is units. If the units is, let's say, x, this is y, then this is 4x, because it is given that the 100 digit is 4 times the units digit. Is it clear? And the sum of the 3 digits is 14. That means first equation is 4x plus y plus x is equals to 14. So it is 5x plus y is equals to 14 as my first equation. Clear? Next. If the 3 digits are written in the reverse order, the value of the number is decreased by 594. So what is the first thing is the number. So the number will be 100 into 4x plus 10 into y plus x. Now what is this about? 4x is the 100th. 4x is the face value of 100. So it has to be multiplied by the place value. So 4x becomes 400, the 400 into 4x. Like for example, if I am taking the number as 594, it is nothing, or we can take over here as, okay, 592, then it is 500 plus 90 plus 2, that is nothing but 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 2. This is precisely what we are doing over here. 5 into 100 or 9 into 10 plus 2. So this is how we are having this particular thing. So this becomes your first thing, that is the number. On reversing, it will be 100 into x plus 10y plus 4x. Okay, that's the reversal. And they are given us that if the 3 number is reversed, the value of the number is decreased by 594. Yani this minus this will be 594. The value is decreased. So that means the original number minus the new number, it is going to decrease by 594. So let's check this out. So it will be, this thing is nothing but 400x plus 10y plus x minus, this was a number, so this is 100x plus 10y plus 4x is equals to 594. Okay, so this gives us as 401x plus 10y minus 104x plus 10y is equals to 594. So on subtracting this, we get it as 301 and 297x plus 20y is equals to 594. You can see 297 and these are just the double of this thing, so I can divide it by a number. No, I cannot divide it. We keep it as it is. So this is the second equation. Now, so this was the first equation, this is the second equation. So we had the first equation as 5x plus y is equals to 14, and the other equation is 297x plus 20y is equals to 594. You multiply this by 20 so that you can eliminate y. So this becomes 100x plus 20y is equals to 280, and 297x plus 20y is equals to 594. On subtraction, we get over here cancels. This minus 197x is equals to, this will be 4, 1 and 3, and it will be negative. So x is equals to 314 upon 197. No, there is some mistake. Okay, we can see there is an error over here. The error what is there is this particular part. This was minus sign over here, so this will get subtract. This got a minus, so this will also be minus. So this is minus, so automatically this gets cancelled. Accordingly, we will be having as 297x is equals to 594. So we will directly get the value as x is equals to 594 upon 297. That is x is equals to 2. So this is not required at all. You can see that how careful you have to be in this particular part, or else you will waste your time. You could definitely know that something is wrong over here as you try to solve it, because the number will never be in decimal points. So this is the thing, that x is equals to 2. Now we know the x is equal to 2, you put this value in the equation. So you get over here that 5x plus y is equals to 14. 5 into 2 is equals to 14. Sorry, 5 into 2 plus y is equals to 14. That's why y is equals to 14 minus 10, y is equals to 4. Therefore, the hundreds place will be, x was 2, so it will be 4 times, so 8. Tens place is 4 and units place is 2. Therefore, number is equals to 842. Understood? So, just check it one again. Units place is x, tens place is y, so hundreds place is 4x, because it is given that the 100 place is 4 times the units place. Accordingly, the sum of the 3 digits is 14. So 4x plus y plus x is equal to 14. So this is the first equation. The number becomes 100 into 4x plus 10y plus x. Reversal will be 100 into x plus 10y plus 4x. So accordingly, when we take this minus this, we get as 594. On opening the brackets over here, we get here as minus 10. This is plus 10. So this 10 and this 10 gets cancelled. We get over here as 297, x is equal to 594. So x is equal to 594 upon 297, x is equal to 2. Here y is getting eliminated in the first equation itself. Accordingly, we place this value of x over here and you get the value of y as 4. So the number becomes 842. Okay. So this was